resistor. Hello everyone. Today, we will learn about 7 different sensor. 1. Flame sensor module. 2. MQ sensor module types. 3. Vibration sensor module. 4. Temperature sensor module. 5. Humidity sensor module. 6. Pressure sensor module. 7. Speed sensor module. First, flame sensor module. Let's define it. A flame sensor module or fire sensor module is a small-size electronics device that can detect a fire source or any other bright light sources. Let's see its physical appearance. Components used in it. 1. Photodiode. 2. Potentiometer. 3. Capacitor. 4. Resistor. 5. LM393IC. 6. VCC pin. 7. Ground pin. 8. Output pin. Its working principle. This sensor uses the infrared flame flash method, which allows the sensor to work through a coating of oil, dust, water vapor, otherwise ice. Its features. Photosensitivity is high. Response time is fast. Simple to use. Sensitivity is adjustable. Detection angle is 60. It is responsive to the flame range. Accuracy can be adjustable. Operating voltage of this sensor is 3.3 volts to 5 V. Analog voltage O or PS and digital switch OPS. The PCB size is 3 cm x 1, 6 cm. Power. Its applications. Hydrogen stations, industrial heating, fire detection, fire alarm, firefighting robot, drying systems, industrial gas turbines, domestic heating systems, gas-powered cooking devices. Second, MQ sensor module. Let's define it. The sensor is a versatile gas sensor capable of detecting a wide range of gases. Its physical appearance. Components used in it. Output pin, power LED, sensing element IC.O pin, DO pin, VCC pin, ground pin. Working principles. This sensor has high sensitivity and fast response time. The sensor's output is an analog. Resistance. The drive circuit is very simple. All you need to do is power the heater coil with 5 V, add a load resistance, and connect the output to an ADC. Its features. Please pause if you want to continue with reading. All MSQ sensors details are covered. Its application. 1. Factories. 2. Hospitals. 3. Kitchen. 4. Mining. 5. Robotics projects, etc. Let's define it. The vibration sensor helps to detect the vibration of the surrounding environment that is normally open. Its physical appearance. Components used in it. 1. Vibration sensor element. 2. Sensitive adjust. 3. Power indicator. 4. VCC pin. 5. Ground pin. 6. Out pin. 7. Signal indicator. Its features. Operating voltage 3.3 volts to 5 volts DC. Operating current 15 mA. Using SW420 normally closed type vibration sensor. LEDs indicating output and power. LM393 base design, easy to use with microcontrollers or even with normal digital or analog IC, with bolt holes for easy installation. small, cheap, and easily available. Its application: shocks triggering, theft alarm, smart car, earthquake alarm, motorcycle alarm. Temperature sensor module. Let's define it. A small electronic device which is used to measure the temperature of its surroundings environment, having wide range. Its physical appearance. Components used in it: 1. Thermocouples, 2. RTDS resistance temperature detectors, 3. Thermistors, 4. Semiconductor-based integrated circuits IC. Its features: when an NTC thermistor sensor is included, supporting high sensitivity. 2. A comparator LM393 is contained, so it can output both digital and analog signals at the same time. 3. Include a potentiometer to adjust the threshold of detection for working voltage. 3V 5V. PCB size: 2.3x to 0.3 centimeters. Its application: temperature sensors are utilized to monitor various environments and machinery, power plants, and manufacturing. Temperature sensors are used to measure water temperatures in reservoirs and boreholes. They can also be used to interpret temperature-related stress and changes in volume in dams. Humidity sensor. Definition: the humidity sensor is a device that senses, measures, and reports the relative humidity (IH) of air or determines the amount of water vapor present in gas mixed to air or pure gas. Its physical appearance. Components used in it: capacitive, resistive, thermal, IC, diode. Its features: 40C 2 plus 80C temperature range, with plus 0.5C accuracy, 0.10 relative humidity with 2-5 accuracy, 5 HZ sample rate 1 sample every 2 seconds, 3 to 5 volts operation, power consumption just for 0.3 milliamperes during reads, even less when idle. Blue power LED. Dimensions: 31W x 23H x for D millimeters. Its application. The applications of humidity sensor range far and wide. People with illnesses affected by humidity, monitoring and preventive measure in homes, employ humidity sensors, cooler, etc. Pressure sensor module. Pressure sensor modules are calibrated and temperature compensated pressure sensors on a PCB, which are ready for packaging. They feature versatile electrical connection options and can be integrated into complex assemblies or mounted in a package. Its physical appearance. Components used in it: 1. Microcontroller, 2. Output pins, 3. Ground pin, 4. VCC pin, 5. Switch, 6. Amplifier, 7. Pressure sensor. Its functions. A pressure sensor is an electronic device that detects, regulates, or monitors pressure and converts perceived physical data into an electronic signal. Its advantages. Digital pressure sensors provide many advantages such as low power consumption, minimum electrical noise, sensor diagnostics, and remote monitoring. Mainly, it is used for sensors and modules having extra electronic circuitry. Along with sensor are electronic devices that detect and respond to some type of input from the physical environment. Its application. Some example applications are motorsport applications. Pressure transducers are used for measuring oil, fuel, and brake pressure. Medical applications. Pressure transducers are used within many different types of medical equipment where exact pressure measurement is required. Speed sensor module. Let's define it. An electronic small device which major goal is to check the rate of motors or any running device at certain places in certain period of time. Its physical appearance. Components used in it. The sensor part of the LM393 speed sensor module consists of an infrared LED and an NPN phototransistor. These two components are placed facing each other in a special housing made of black thermoplastic. Its features: 4-pin connector, analog out, digital out, ground, VCC, LED power indicator, LED indicator of the output pulses at DO. Working voltage 3.3 to 5 VDC. Groove width 5 mm. Weight 8 g. Dimensions 32 x 14 x 7 mm 1. 26 x 0.55 x 0. 27. Its application: vehicles industry, robotics projects, turbines, etc. Wireless module mostly used in different robotics projects. 1. Wi-Fi module. 2. Bluetooth module. 3. GPS tracking. 4. Transmitter and receiver. Let's first discuss about Wi-Fi module. Wi-Fi modules or Wi-Fi microcontrollers are used to send and receive data over Wi-Fi. They can also accept commands over the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi modules are used for communications between devices. They are most commonly used in the field of Internet of Things. Its physical appearance. Components used in it: 1. Antenna. 2. Power LED. 3. Communications LED. 4. GPIO 1. 5. Ground pin. 6. GPIO 2. 7. GPIO 0. 8. GPIO 3. 9. VCC. Its specifications. The ESP8266 Wi-Fi module specifications or features are given below. It is a powerful Wi-Fi module available in a compact size at a very low price. It is based on the L106RSE 32-bit microprocessor core and runs at 80 mHz. It requires only 3.3 volts power supply. The current consumption is 100 meters amp. The maximum input or output I/O voltage is 3.6 volts. It consumes 100 milliamperes current. The maximum input or output source current is 12 mA. The frequency of built-in low-power 32-bit MCU is 80 mHz. The size of flash memory is 513 KB. It is used as either an access point or station or both. It is a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi module and supports WPA, WPA2, WEP authentication, and open networks. It uses to serial communication protocols like I2C integrated circuit and SPI serial peripheral interface. Closing parenthesis. It provides 10-bit analog to digital conversion. It supports less than 10 microbes deep sleep. It supports serial communication to be compatible with several developmental platforms, such as Arduino. It is programmed using either at commands, Arduino IDE, or LUA script. The type of modulation is PWM pulse width modulation. UART is enabled on dedicated pins and for only transmission. It can be enabled on GPIO to. It is an IEEE 800 2.11b or G or NY-FI module with LNA, power amplifier, balloon, integrated TR switch, and matching networks. GPIO pin 17. Memory size of instruction RAM 32 KB. The memory size of instruction cache RAM 32 KB. Size of user data RAM 80 KB. Size of ETS systems data RAM 16 kilobytes. Its application: access points, portals, IoT projects, Wireless data logging, used in learning the networking fundamentals, sockets and smart bulbs, smart home automation systems. Bluetooth module. Bluetooth module refers to the basic circuit set of the chip with integrated Bluetooth function, used for short-range 2.4 grams wireless communication module. Its physical appearance. Components used in it. 1. RF transformer. 2. Antenna trace. 3. LED. 4. 3V regulator. 5. Flash memory. 6. Push button. 7. BC416 Bluetooth IC. Its features. Bluetooth protocol. Bluetooth specification V2. O+ EDR. Frequency. 2.4 GHz ISM band. Modulation. GFS gauge, Gaussian frequency shift keying. Emission power. Equals for dBm, class 2. Sensitivity. Equals 80 for dBm at 0.1% BR. Speed, asynchronous. 2. 1 Mbps max 160 kbps. Synchronous. 1 Mbps 1 Mbps. Profiles. Bluetooth serial port. Power supply. 3.3V DC 50 mAh. Working temperature. -20 to 75 centigrade. Dimension. 26.9 mm x 13 mm x 2.2 mm. Its application. Computer and peripheral devices, GPS receiver, industrial control, MCU projects. Thanks for watching.